So one thing that I think all Jeep owners can agree to is that the stock halogen headlights that come in a Jeep are garbage. Hot garbage. And that's exactly where they belong, in the trash can. I've made a video in the past saying how I think this is a bit of a safety issue. So what are your alternatives? Well, you can get some HIDs, you can get some LED bulbs, or you can replace the entire headlight housing with LED. Well, we're going to go through a couple of those options today, so stick around. So if you don't get the LED option with your Jeep whenever you buy it, you get these projector housings. Now, the projector housings, you can, put different bulbs in. There's different ones that they sell at auto parts stores like Sylvania Silver Stars and things like that. I elected to go ahead and put in a LED bulb that was from a very reputable lighting company. Now, nothing against this lighting company at all. I think that their product works well for what it does. The problem is that with a projector lens like this, it doesn't allow that projected light pattern to be very good when it comes to an LED bulb. It just doesn't have the mechanism and the way that the lens is shaped to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to swap this entire assembly out with Quadratec's premium LED headlight. Now, interesting thing about this headlight, it's made by a certain company for Quadratec that you may recognize, JW Speaker, and those headlights cost a lot of money. This one costs a lot less than that, and I think it's going to deliver a very, very similar performance. So we're going to see by installing these headlights. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and take off the clips for the grille, and so we can remove the entire grille to get to the headlights themselves. Shouldn't be too difficult, just a couple of things on the top. Use one of these nice handy dandy clip removers. I'm going to put the link down in the description below where you can buy one of these on Amazon. And we are going to unpop the grille and then add the headlights in right after that. So as I was saying earlier, these are the lights, the premium LED lights that Quadratec offers. As you can see, this is actually quite a premium light. Heat sinks on the back. Here's your connectors. If I take the plastic off, so there we go, a very clean, very nice looking headlight. Quadratec logo down there. And as I said, these are made by JW Speaker. So I have very, very high hopes for something like this. So I can't wait to see what these look like installed. Alright, so in our case we had to slide the bumper forward just a little bit because of the fact that it's an aftermarket bumper. It wouldn't let the grille come off as easily. But we've got that off now, and so I'm going to go ahead and start putting in the headlights. One of the things I can say I love about Quadratec is they still give you paper instructions. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to take out these 3 retaining bolts right here with a 10mm socket. Once you've got that out, disconnect the harness from the back. Alright, next we're going to look at our adapter ring, and on the adapter ring we have to remove the trim piece here with these 3 Phillips screws holding it in. So we're going to go ahead and do that real quick. Alright, then at this point we're going to go ahead and put the headlight in. We're going to re-secure the trim ring back to the headlight trim housing here using the 3 Phillips that we took out, and then we are going to connect it. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to plug one end of the harness that's provided with it. While we're connecting this, go ahead and let me know in the comments if you've changed out your headlights and what you think of Jeep stock headlights. So we went ahead and got that in. Looks pretty good so far. So what we're going to do is do the same thing on the other side, and then we're going to end up putting the grill back on. So now that everything is put back together, I can't wait to see how these lights are going to look at night. Well, the comparison against the old bulbs versus these is coming up next, and you do not want to miss this.
Alright, so now that we have the headlights fully installed and aimed, which is very, very important to do, we're going to go ahead and go down one of these dark dirt roads, and we are going to test the headlights to see what kind of results we're getting from them versus the old LED bulbs that I had in them. So these are the low beams, and then these are the high beams here on a darker country road, probably not unlike something you would go camping on. These are the low beams of the new LED projectors. And then those are the high beams. As you can see, pretty significant difference. And one thing I want to point out is you notice there's a definitive cutoff as well with the lights. That's important so you don't blind oncoming drivers, and so that you can run safely with them on and still have that brightness to them.
So we're back from our test, and as you can see, the headlights perform fantastically. The Quadratec Premium LED headlight made by JW Speaker is definitely better than LED bulbs inside of the halogen housing. You get a better cutoff line, you get a good distinct pattern between the low beam and the high beam, and on top of that, you're not going to be blinding oncoming drivers. It definitely turns darkness into daytime when you're looking at it through the windshield. The camera doesn't really capture all of it. I do want to say that no portion of this has been paid for by Quadratec. I don't think Quadratec even knows this channel exists. We bought these headlights with our own money, and we're doing a very honest review here. Alright, if you found this video to be valuable, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and share it if you want to share this with somebody who maybe is looking to upgrade their headlights from the stock headlights. This has been Gary from Dixie Overland. We'll see you in the next video. So we went ahead and got the entire truck put back together versus... that's dumb. Stop it, Gary. Come on now. I need to write some of this out. All right. So now that we've got the truck booked...